Hi, this is Zaf here. It's been a while since our previous video. Okay, so today we're gonna introduce you the Ulala Idle Adventure and how are we gonna get at least 3,500 worth of starfish in this coming event. Okay, anyone can participate. Okay, so the minimum you gotta do, okay, over here in this event. Later on, I'm going to show you the step-by-step processes how to going to do that. Okay, yeah, at most will take you 5 minutes to do so. 5 minutes worth of effort, and you can get this 3,500 gems. Okay, so as you can see right now, I'm using the Google Play recorder to record this, so it's actually a pretty easy process. Okay, let me just show you the details over here. So we are expected to follow the guide, the instructions over here. So the maximum that you can get in this event is 10,000 starfish and 50 skill voucher. Okay, the minimum that you will get is 3,500 starfish and 15 skills voucher. Okay, so if we were to exit the app, okay, as you can see right now, I'm actually using a Google Play recorder. Okay, so if you click on it, click onto the top right hand corner, there's a recorder sign, and you can click on it, and then you will launch this Ulala app, okay, and record it. Okay, so let me just show you the demo. Yeah, so if you cannot find your Ulala Idle Adventure, you can click onto the top left corner onto the magnifying glass. Okay, type in la la. Okay, so you'll be able to see this. Okay, and then you click onto the top right corner to record the gameplay. Okay, that's pretty much what you're gonna do. Okay, so the event actually requires you to show your user ID. For me, it's Nepotism. Okay, right now, you also need to show your ID number, which is at the character attribute page. You need to show them clearly. Okay, so for me, it's 926462 in the Southeast Asia server. Okay, right now I'm in season 30. Okay, top 99.9% as a free to play. Okay, to convince you, let me just show you all of my teammates. Okay, it's as simple as that, all right? Okay, so you can make your own guide regarding this game, tell them any tips for newbies. Okay, you can show them, and then after soon upload it. Let me just show you the details of this event. Okay, so sorry, my phone is kind of slow.